Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to unlock all jokers in Balatro. Here's how to do it, the easy way or the legit way. Option 1 is instant. From the main menu, create a new profile, go to the reset profile options, select unlock all. This immediately unlocks all jokers, vouchers, and cards, but keep in mind, it disables achievements for that profile. If you want achievements and everything unlocked, you can copy the unlock files over to another profile manually. Now option 2 is a natural grind. There are 45 jokers locked behind specific conditions, and you can unlock them by completing various objectives and unseated runs. Once you meet the requirement, the joker is added to your collection and can show up in shops or packs. As for the 5 legendary jokers, they're even rarer. You can only get them by playing the soul card, found in spectral packs or very rarely Akina packs with about 0.3% drop chance. Use it in a run and it will guarantee you one random legendary joker permanently added to your collection. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.